Thank you, my dear. Very good questions. They are a leitmotif of not just tonight's show, but for many weeks, months now, we've been asking this question, I think for the reasons adumbrated by Professor Deason just immediately past in the last few minutes. It's unlikely that there will be peace between the US and Iran. And indeed, there are increasing signs that the current no war, no peace suits both parties. The United States cannot afford a full-scale invasion of Iran. It would make Vietnam look like a Tea Party. They are at the mercy of the Iranian gunners, their friends and benefactors in the area. The kings and sheikhs are entirely at the mercy of the Iranian gunners. And by gunners nowadays, of course, I mean their missile force and their drone forces. And life would become completely unlivable in the Gulf, and that's not in anybody's interest. And like Professor Deason, I very much hope that that does not happen. I bear no animus at all, particularly towards the UAE, a country with which I had a long and very close association in the time of the late Sheikh Zayed, may God rest him. So the Americans can't afford a war, but neither are they prepared politically to bear the cost of a peace. They can't tell Netanyahu that he has to cease his war against Gaza, against Lebanon. They won't tell their voters that having ridiculed Obama for giving $1.5 billion to the Iranians for signing the nuclear deal, the JCPOA, they're going to give them hundreds of millions of dollars, hundreds of billions of dollars. $300 billion is the Iranian demand.